What is this?
Standing line.
Now we will trace the standing line, okay? Slowly.
Standing line.
Very good. We will trace the standing line with the help of the sticker.
I'll put the sticker.
What is this?
Sleeping line.
Now we will trace the sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Very good. Now we will trace the sleeping line with the help of the stickers.
Standing line. Sleeping line.
Very good. Trace the letter L.
Okay.
Slowly.
Standing line. Sleeping line.
Now trace the L with stickers. L for?
Lion.
Yes, very good.
Level. List.
What letter is this?
Standing line. Sleeping line. Again. Sleeping line. F.
Phonic sound of F.
F.
Phonic sound.
F.
Okay. Now we will trace the letter F. Standing line.
Line.
Sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Again.
Again. Sleeping line.
F.
Peace, like, share, and say hey. Thank you. Bye bye.